If you want to scale your Etsy shop and reach 1,000 sales by the end of this year, then keep watching this video because I'm going to be sharing with you some of the strategies that you likely haven't heard before. 1,000 sales doesn't happen by chance or by luck. You need a specific strategy to get you there. And so in this video, you are going to learn my two-part strategy for you to hit that 1,000 sale mark ASAP. Rocky. My name is Taylor and my channel is focused on all things print on demand and passive income. If those are two things that interest you, I encourage you to boop the subscribe button if you haven't done so already so that you do not miss out on any future videos like this. Step one, and I'm sorry if this comes off a little harsh, but the first thing that you need to do is shut off the noise around you. Get rid of that shiny object syndrome where you might be bouncing from product to product and creating one thing in one niche and then jumping ship to another one. This is simply not a strategy, and it's more than likely one of the reasons that you're not seeing the results that you want. You need to pick a niche, a niche, a niche, whatever you want to call it. In broad terms, a niche is a specific area of focus for you. The simplest way of thinking about this is choosing a focus or a direction for your shop. I want to reassure you that your initial focus can shift and adapt with time. You're not committed to it for life. In fact, that is actually what happened with me and my shop. I started my shop very seasonally and just chasing every holiday with only one product type. And then with time, I evolved to be a bit more niche specific as I saw what was working well for me and selling multiple different product types in those specific niches. The clearer your focus is in the beginning, the faster that you are going to be able to analyze the data that Etsy is giving you for what is and is not working in your shop. And this is how you will be able to scale to that 1,000 sale mark and beyond. In this video here, I break down two different focuses I recommend for a new shop to choose from. So I will be sure to link that for you below for you to check out after this video. After you've determined your focus, it's time to dial in your specific strategy. I recommend to focus on a 70-30 strategy. That would consist of 70% seasonal and 30% evergreen. Or you can think of it for every 10 listings that you create, 7 of them should be seasonal and 3 of them should be evergreen. But I do want to be clear on what I mean when I say seasonal, because seasonal should not mean that you're creating shirts that say Merry Christmas, Happy Halloween, Happy Mother's Day. When I say seasonal, what seasonal truly is and should be is a complement to the evergreen niche or niches that you're targeting in your shop. For example, you're targeting people who like elephants. This may be an example of one of your evergreen listings for your elephant niche. And this may be an example of one of your seasonal listings that complement your elephant niche. An Etsy shop is only successful when it gains momentum, and a shop gains momentum by seeing an increase in sales, kind of like a snowball effect. How you can increase sales is by targeting in-demand products, and seasonal events can be a fantastic way to see momentum boosts throughout the year, which is why I recommend 70% of your listings being focused towards seasonal while you're growing your shop. With your evergreen listings, the momentum build is a little bit slower, but these are what will build a stable and consistent stream of revenue for you long term. And this 70-30 split can begin to evolve and transition with time to a more prominent focus in evergreen and less in seasonal as your shop grows. Now, your listings and strategy within creating them really establishes the foundation of your shop, but the next component to your success is getting eyeballs on these listings. Part of boosting sales is boosting traffic, which you can do in a few different ways. Organically through your SEO, additionally through Etsy ads, and my recent favorite, email marketing. So let's break down each. SEO. What is SEO? SEO stands for search engine optimization. You can think of SEO as the umbrella term to the specific keywords that you are using in your title and your tags of any of your listings that you create on Etsy. The types of keywords that you should be using to have really great, highly optimized SEO are keywords that your ideal customer that's looking for your product is typing in the search bar. You want to try to match exactly what a customer is typing in to the search bar, because that is how your listing is going to show up as a relevant item for the customer. With that being said, relevancy is important. So just because you find a keyword that might be high search volume and low competition, if it's not relevant to the product that you're actually selling, it's really not doing you any favors. So you want to make sure that you're finding keywords that are high search, low competition for you to be able to stand out amongst them, and that they are highly relevant to the product that you're selling. I have an entire free mini course that takes a deep dive into SEO and how it works called SEO Kickstart, which I have a link to in the description box below. The second component and an additional way for you to bring traffic to your listings is through Etsy ads. Etsy ads are a little bit of a hot topic. People are either for them or against them. For me, Etsy ads have always been a tool for me to gather more data surrounding my business and what was working and what wasn't working within it. Etsy ads can be a really great tool because they give you a whole nother side of analytics to your shop so that you can make better data-driven decisions for how you can continue forward and maybe double down in certain areas that you're seeing more success in and shy away from maybe some areas that you're not seeing such great results in. Just like SEO, Etsy ads are a whole other deep dive of a topic, so I am going to have another video linked for you in the description that talks about my Etsy ad strategy and how you can implement the same strategy in your shop to see growth. Now, I saved the best for last, and that is email marketing. Email marketing is a fantastic way to grow your shop. The main thing that you need to do to start email marketing is to start by growing your email list, which an email list is a list of contacts that you actually own. One of the most popular benefits to having this email list that you own is that if you are ever looking to scale your business beyond Etsy, you own your email list and you are able to use those contacts to market and direct traffic to your own website if that's a path that you're looking to go down in the future. But even if you are not looking to have your own website and go down that path, having an email list is still a fantastic way to bring customers back to your shop and increase your sales. What's important to know about email is you cannot just go and copy and paste and collect emails yourself through your Etsy orders. That would be illegal, so do not do that. But what you can do is have a landing page or an opt-in page for somebody to join your email list. Now, somebody's not going to just join your email list all willy-nilly. You need to entice them, and typically this is best done by offering some type of incentive or coupon for them to join your email list so that you get the email, they get a discount, and it's a win-win. I have been personally growing my email list with Everbee Email, which has had so many new additions and upgrades to it that I definitely want to share because I think they are really going to help you grow your business and get you to that 1,000 sale mark if you implement these strategies. How you set that up is, first of all, you do need to have Everbee. So I have a link in the description for Everbee. I actually have a link that will get you 50% off your first 2 months with Everbee. Once you already have Everbee installed, it will appear like so as this left sidebar. It's just a Chrome extension. And you will be able to see, of course, their research tools, which I share tons about on my channel, but also you have the Everbee email tab. When you click into the Everbee email tab, this is what it looks like. You're gonna have your dashboard, but where you're gonna want to spend your time to grow your email list is actually in the Grow tab. Makes sense, right? So in a previous video, I shared how I set up my landing page, which is where you are going to have your customers or potential customers join your email list. All you have to do for that is just click new subscriber page, and you can go in and customize all of this so that it fits your brand and the offer that you're looking to entice your customers with. This is what my landing page looks like. I just customized the color, and the offer that I've added is for 50% off of their order. A new feature that's really going to help you grow your shop this year is the QR code. And with the QR code, you can actually create a new product image. This serves as a listing image that you would include with all of your listing photos. And there are a few different templates that you can actually start from, or you can start from scratch. You can see me customizing my new product image here. But what's really cool about this is you can actually create this product image and automatically import it into all of your listings that you currently have, which is a complete game changer and such a time saver on top of that. And this is what the final result looked like in a listing. Email marketing has been around for a very long time, and it's not going anywhere anytime soon, which is why I'm so excited to continue growing my email list this year. I mentioned a ton of different free resources for you throughout this video. The first one is this video here, which I recommend that you watch next, and all of the other videos and resources, such as my free mini courses, will be linked in the description box for you below to check out. As always, I hope you're having a wonderful morning, afternoon, evening, wherever you are in the world, and I will see you in the next one.